Everybody, I'm so glad to be back exploring some amazing places today. Literally amazing. As I mentioned last week that I would be exploring the beautiful state of Kerala, one of the most picturesque regions in India. I'm so excited to say that I finally arrived. I'm in Kerala now, and in the next few days we'll be exploring some of the most beautiful locations in Kerala. So it's going to be so interesting, so stay tuned. I began my journey at 12 p.m. on Monday from Thane railway station in Mumbai. Thane railway station, THANE, Thane railway station, Mumbai. It was an amazing ride through the scenic Western Ghats of Maharashtra before entering the breathtaking views of Kerala. A train journey through the lush landscapes of Kerala is more than just a travel. It's an unforgettable experience through one of the most scenic routes in India. As the train winds its way through the lush landscapes of Kerala, one of the most enchanting sights is the traditional, beautiful villas tucked quietly among the coconut groves. And these homes, often with red tiled roofs and wide verandas, seem to emerge naturally from the greenery, blending beautifully with the surroundings. Surrounded by these amazing coconut palms, banana plants, and various other trees, these villas reflect the calm and charm of Kerala's countryside. If you are not an Indian and really want to visit Kerala someday, after landing in India, you take a train. Yes, Indian Railway operates so many trains from different parts of the country to Kerala. So if you really want to enjoy the breathtaking landscape of Kerala, take a train as you, okay? First, I have now reached a very charming and spiritually rich temple town in Thrissur district of Kerala, THRISSUR, Thrissur district of Kerala, called Guruvayur, Guruyur, Guruvayur. Yes, I'm in Guruvayur right now. And this Guruvayur is known for its temple, very popular, iconic and age-old temple in the same name called Guruvayur Temple. So we will be exploring this temple premises today. It's very interesting, but unfortunately inside that the video shoot is not allowed inside, permitted inside due to some reasons. It was not so till a couple of years back. Yes, dear friends, video shoot is not permitted inside the temple due to some security reasons. So we will be exploring the outside area and including some beautiful shopping centers over there. So okay, so we'll head inside to that temple right now. Before that, I want to show you this amazing lanes, residential lanes. So before entering the temple premises, I'll have to explore some of the very beautiful residential lanes here. Yes, I'm always like this. When I visit in cities, I like to explore obviously I like to explore shopping areas, marketplaces, but at the same time, when I'm at a place like this, scenic locations like this, I enjoy wandering through the residential lands before exploring other places. So I'll show you this beautiful residential lands here. See this beautiful land full of trees on both sides and beautiful residential villas and bungalows. I love it. And all of a sudden it starts raining, very heavy rain. But I have my umbrella with me, always carry one during the rainy season. Pre-monsoon showers are unpredictable. You never know when it might start raining. So it's important to be well prepared when going out. Carrying an umbrella or raincoat is essential. Kerala, often called God's own country, comes alive with an unparalleled charm during the rainy season. This simple walk away from the hustle of modern cities is a reminder of nature's grace and the quiet beauty of everyday life. In Kerala, even a rainy day becomes a poetic experience, lush, green and full of peace. See, the rain stopped in just 3 minutes, tricking people into believing it would last all day. This place, Guruvayur, combines spiritual heritage, culture and tradition, making it a deeply revered destination in Kerala. So now we are on our way to the Guruvayur, the popular Guruvayur temple. And you can see several big and small temples on the way. This is one of that, Mamiyu temple. This Mamiyu temple is one of the most important temples in Guruvayur and holds a special place in the spiritual circuit of the town. Yes, now we are entering one of the several gates of Guruvayur temple, and this is one of that. This is east side or west side, I'm not sure. Let's go and see. And you can see several vendors selling so many colorful things all along the way. Okay, you can see this word West Nada. West Nada means west gate. Okay, this is the west gate of Guruvayur. We are going to enter through this west gate, West Nada. Okay. Plus, monsoon has started in Kerala and many parts of India, but not in full swing. It's kind of on and off, intermittent rainfalls these days. The real power of monsoon you can see in the months starting from June through September. Okay, now I entered this premises, Guruvayur station. Railway station in some area. You can see the board Guruvayur station. At first, this Guruvayur temple has several sides: north side, west side, east side, and south side, like that. And as I told you, shooting is not allowed inside the station, temple premises. So I'll show you a glimpse of the temple from outside, and of course I'll show you the mesmerizing commercial zones next to the temple. That is very interesting to see. A 0.5 kilometer only, Guruvayur temple. You can see hundreds of dhoti clad gentlemen here. This is the traditional attire of Kerala, dhoti and shirt. And this is one side of this Guruvayur temple, and you can see the beautiful statue of this eagle here. This is called Manchu Lal. This particular stage is called Manchu Lal. Okay, it's a very beautiful statue of eagle. There's a story behind this statue, but I don't know. I'm not. I don't know much about that story, but that's what I can tell you. This is the temple premises. Guys, this is the east side of this temple. East, not north or west or south. This is the east side. You see hundreds of shops selling petrol items and various souvenirs and jewelries and so many things here. Very beautiful, and also restaurants and hotels. Everything you can see here. You can see the photos of Sri Krishna, the main deity here. This is the photos and various kind of souvenirs and something. You can see the temple from here, and you can see that is the temple, but I don't think I can shoot. But as I told you, shoot is not permitted over there, so I can shoot around this premises. Around here, not within the temple premises. This is my area to shoot video, not beyond this point. And you can see a beautiful shop selling souvenirs and plethora of various items, handicrafts and fancy toys. And so how many things here. And this is the temple. This is the east side of the temple. As I told you, there were four sides. This is one of the east side. This is the east side of the temple, and I can go beyond this point. Yes, I can't go there and for filming because it's not permitted for the time being. That's all for now. I'll be here in Guruvayur for the next couple of days. Then we'll be heading to many more interesting and popular locations in Kerala, including the very popular, very famous backwaters of Kerala, Varkala Beach, Kovalam Beach, etc., etc. As many places as possible. I'll be exploring Kerala for the next 10 days or so. So it's going to be very interesting. Stay tuned to my channel. And now I'm heading straight to my lodging facility where I'm staying currently. Okay. First, this is the location where I'm staying currently. Very near to this Guruvayur temple. Okay. And this is the place where I'm staying right now. Very near to the this temple, Guruvayur temple. This is the tourist home. I mean, this is the lodging facility where I'm staying currently. Kairali. I'm not promoting these people, okay? This is where I'm staying right now. I just want to show you. This is the corridor of this. I'm on the 8th floor. This is the corridor, and I'm staying in one of these rooms. Number is 311. This one. So that's all for today. I'm signing off. I'll see you next Friday, 5:45 p.m. with many more interesting Kerala videos, of course. As I told you, I'll be exploring Kerala for the next 10 to 12 days. I'm here. So you can expect many more interesting videos. Okay. Thank you so much for your support. Now it's time to sleep. I'm gonna sleep early tonight because I'm really exhausted.